I'm Alison Clarke, the director of the Papanek Foundation at the University of Applied Arts, Vienna, and professor of design history, co-curator of the exhibition, Victor Papanek, The Politics of Design. So we're here in the exhibition of Victor Papanek, The Politics of Design, and I really want to start by talking about this particular object. It's a poster that featured on the wall of many design students in the early 70s because it's a diagram made by Papanek, the design critic, the kind of design rebel, and it charts the sort of politics of design. Actually, what is design? And the point about the show and the point about Papanek's work is that it really expands the idea of what design is as a practice. It's about social inclusion, it's about understanding the difference between ethnic, gender groups. It's not a practice about beautiful objects and normative objects. What's so pertinent about this wonderful diagram is that it was first drawn in 1968, so long ago, but everything that it sketches out here is so significant still. It's about status, violence, the kind of feelings and emotions that we invest in the objects and design around us. You know, why do we need the coolest car, the most fashionable pair of shoes? And Papanek was very much a critic of popular culture, from sort of clothing to design. His idea was that we need a sustainable economy of things, not just more and more stuff that feeds our emotional desires. Many design students had this on their wall next to Che Guevara and other kind of rebellion pictures. It was very much a cult object. And if you look at it, what's interesting is it's very interactive, and he designed it with students. He asked them, what is the politics of design? And as they spoke, he would kind of write up on the board. This is his own handwriting and his own design. And then it became this manufactured poster. And you see here the minimal design team. I think this is really a key insight to the theme of this exhibition, because the minimal design team is not some great white male designer at the studio board creating beautiful things. It's actually a team that includes psychologists, designers, anthropologists, filmmakers, and his idea of design and the theme of the exhibition is about transdisciplinary activities within design. As we move into a kind of digitized world and out of the analog, actually what is design for? Whom does it include? Whom does it exclude? And this diagram that tries to kind of summarize the people that would most benefit from design, like children, the elderly, prisoners, groups that normally we don't think as design consumers. This became the basis of Papanek's best-selling book, Design for the Real World, which was published in 22 languages and has never fallen out of print since it was first published in 1970. So this kind of encapsulates the theme, and then the book expanded it, and then the exhibition and its contemporary and archival work really sets up a dialogue about what design is in the 21st century.